Hi everyone, myself Dr. Rajendra Prasad KN, consultant urologist at Sanera Hospital, Kengeri, Bangalore. Okay, today I am going to demonstrate kidney stones. Well, many patients will come with the complaint of flank pain, fever, urinary symptoms. Okay, and they after ultrasound and all investigations, they diagnosed to be have a renal stones between 10 to 15 mm. And many patients have a doubt that what is the treatment for that. Okay, now I will show the renal stone size, everything in the CT scan for 10 to 15 mm. This is the CT scan showing 13 mm on left side and 10 into 11 mm on left side. Okay, many patients have a doubt that what is the treatment for renal stones between 10 to 15 mm. For this, we are going to treat a patient with advanced technology using thulium laser and RIRS scope. RIRS scope means retrograde intrarenal surgery. Okay, now I'm going. Yeah, this is the treatment for right and left renal calculate measuring 10 to 15 mm. Many patients have doubted how they will do RIRS and what is the procedure. Okay, you can see in this video. This is the advanced laminar OT at Sanera Hospital, and I'm showing a RIRS scope. Okay, this is the retrograde intrarenal surgery, and I'm using a flexi ureteroscope. This will directly go to your kidney. Okay, right? You can see here, this is the advanced thulium laser, and I'm using the laser fiber into the kidney to fragment the stones. Okay. Now you can see the TV. Okay, laser entering into the kidney. This is the laser entered in the kidney, and now you can